Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate homes.com to research local rental performance easy tutorial. To activate homes.com for researching local rental performance, start by opening your web browser. Type in the URL for homes.com in the address bar. Press enter to navigate to the website. Once the homepage loads, look for the search bar at the top. Enter the location you want to research, such as a city or neighborhood. Click on the search icon or press enter to view the results. After the results appear, locate the rental filter option on the page. Select this filter to focus only on rental properties. You will see a list of available rental properties in the specified area. Look for the market trends or rental performance section, usually found in the navigation menu. Click on this section to access detailed information on local rental trends. Review the data provided, including rental prices and vacancy rates. Adjust the date range if necessary to see historical data or future projections. Utilize the map feature for a visual representation of rental performance across different areas. Explore any additional resources or articles linked to rental performance for deeper insight. Take notes on key findings that may inform your research or investment decisions. Once done, you can log out or simply close the browser tab to finish. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.